This is Reshma.
This is Harini.
We are from 9th standard.
In St. Mother Teresa Vidyaniketan English Medium High School.
From Karnal.
Today we are going to tell about states and capitals.
Andhra Pradesh.
Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh.
Itanagar,
Assam.
Dispur,
Bihar.
Patna,
Chhattisgarh.
Raipur,
Goa.
Panachi,
Gujarat.
Gandhinagar,
Haryana.
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh.
Shimla,
Jharkhand.
Ranchi,
Madhya Pradesh.
Bhopal,
Karnataka.
Bengaluru,
Kerala.
Thiruvananthapuram,
Maharashtra.
Mumbai,
Manipur.
Impal,
Meghalaya.
Shillong,
Mizoram.
Aizawl,
Odisha.
Bhubaneswar,
Nagaland.
Kohima,
Punjab.
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan.
Jaipur,
Sikkim.
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu.
Chennai,
Telangana.